discover the latest woodworking tools on Amazon that make every project easier, faster, and more precise. From innovative jigs to powerful cordless gadgets, these tools are designed to save you time while improving accuracy. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro woodworker, these game-changing finds are must-haves you'll wish you discovered sooner. WORKPRO Angular Bevel Gauge. The WORKPRO Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile tool designed to simplify angle measurement and transfer for flooring projects and furniture building. With its smart design, it allows you to accurately measure angles and transfer them directly onto your workpiece, ensuring precision every time. This tool also doubles as a scratch gauge for marking out parallel lines, making it even more practical. Its folding stop enables easy positioning on workpieces, while the integrated scale on the moving leg provides quick, accurate marking. Whether for DIY projects or professional use, this bevel gauge is an essential companion for woodworking tasks. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rules. The Jet Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rules are versatile, precision tools designed to make woodworking easier and more accurate. Featured in the video, The Coolest Woodworking Pocket Rules, Deep Dive, these rules stand out with their removable, repositionable stop, allowing consistent parallel line marking. A milled pencil control notch ensures precise drawing, while the stop can double as a vertical stand for setting router bit heights. Available in red anodized aluminum or steel, they feature high contrast laser engravings for maximum readability. With graduation options in inches, 16ths, 32nds, and metric, plus sizes of 6 inches, 8 inches, and 12 inches, they suit every woodworker's needs. Axminster Rider 3-in-1 Plane. The Axminster Rider 3-in-1 Plane is a highly versatile tool designed for precision woodworking. Offering 3 functions in one, it can be used as a shoulder plane, a bullnose plane, or a chisel plane, adapting easily to your project's needs. Switching between functions is quick and straightforward. Just attach or remove the interchangeable nose pieces. Precision machined for accuracy, this plane ensures clean, crisp results, whether trimming tenons, working into corners, or fine-tuning joints. Durable and well-balanced, the Rider 3-in-1 plane is an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit, combining practicality and efficiency in a single compact design. Jet Joss S Oscillating Spindle Sander. The Jet Joss S Oscillating Spindle Sander is built to take the effort out of sanding, giving you smooth, precise results every time. Engineered with a spindle lock and threaded ends, it allows for fast and easy spindle changes, saving you valuable project time. Its superior dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, while the integrated storage ensures all inserts are organized and within reach. With powerful oscillating action, this sander reduces heat buildup and extends the life of your abrasives. Perfect for professionals and serious woodworkers, the Jet Joss S delivers performance, convenience, and polished results at every angle. xTool F1. Ultra xTool F1 Ultra is the ultimate production solution for makers, businesses, and creatives seeking speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a dual laser system, fiber, and diode, it supports nearly all materials, from wood and acrylic to thin metals. The 20-watt fiber laser delivers deep engraving, embossing, and fine metal cutting with stunning detail. Its smart camera with auto streamline production ensures seamless batch processing in minutes. With a generous 220mm by 220mm working area, you can engrave large HD photos effortlessly. Operating at an incredible 10,000 millimeters per second, the F1 Ultra combines power, speed, and safety, ideal for fast, on-site customization. Infinity Tools DIY Quick Snap Dust Separator. The Infinity Tools DIY Quick Snap Dust Separator is the perfect solution for keeping your shop vacuum clean and extending its life. Designed to attach easily to a standard 5-gallon pail, this affordable tool captures chips and fine dust before they ever reach your vacuum. Ideal for use with small power tools, it helps maintain suction power, reduces clogging, and minimizes filter changes. Its quick snap design ensures fast setup and hassle-free operation, making it a must-have addition to any workshop. Save time, protect your tools, and keep your workspace cleaner with this efficient entry-level dust management system. Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp. The Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp is engineered for precision and ease of use, making it a must-have for woodworking projects. Its ratchet handle minimizes interference with the workpiece, while the quick release button allows fast adjustments for different material thicknesses. The rolled steel fine thread ensures smooth operation, and the non-marring clamp pad protects surfaces from marks. A 9.5mm nylon pin fits directly into drilled pocket holes, holding joints securely in place. Constructed from durable yet lightweight aluminium, this clamp delivers optimum strength without bulk. It guarantees perfect alignment while screwing pocket hole joints together for accurate professional results. Laguna Tools SuperBrush. The Laguna Tools SuperBrush is the ultimate solution for sanding and texturing, designed to deliver flawless finishes with unmatched precision. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or composite materials, the SuperBrush ensures consistent surface quality every time. Its advanced technology allows for superior control, reducing labor costs while increasing production efficiency. Perfect for intricate profiles and flat surfaces alike, it enhances both speed and quality in one machine. Built for durability and performance, the SuperBrush is trusted by professionals who demand excellence. No better option exists for boosting productivity while achieving exceptional results in every project. WORKPRO Professional Palm Sander WP 472401. The WORKPRO Professional Palm Sander WP 472401 is a must-have tool for DIYers and professionals alike. Powered by a robust 3.5 amp motor, it delivers efficient material removal with precision. Its variable speed control adapts to different surfaces, making it ideal for wood, metal, or finishing work. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue while maintaining full control. Perfect for smoothing rough edges or achieving a flawless finish, this sander is versatile enough for both detailed projects and larger surfaces. With durability and user-friendly features, the WORKPRO Palm Sander is your go-to tool for quality craftsmanship. Woodpeckers Mortise Base. The Woodpeckers Mortise Base is a precision tool designed to give you complete control when routing mortises. It attaches directly to the guide rod mounts of your plunge router and features two fully adjustable 2-inch wide fences, providing maximum stability and support on both sides of your material. Unlike standard single-edge guides, this setup ensures accurate mortises even on narrow edges. The mortise base includes 4 sizes of stainless steel guide rods to fit most routers, offering versatile compatibility. With this system, you can create mortises of any length, depth, or width, limited only by your router bit's reach. Milescraft 8413 PinDoctor, the Milescraft 8413. PinDoctor is the smart solution for removing and reinstalling door hinge pins quickly and easily. Designed with a clear body, it ensures precise alignment of the solid steel striking pin with your hinge, giving you accuracy every time. A simple hammer tap will loosen even stubborn pins without damaging your door or hardware. The integrated solid steel striking pin delivers maximum force transfer, while the flat installation surface allows you to reinsert pins cleanly without leaving marks. Whether for maintenance or adjustments, the PinDoctor makes hinge pin work straightforward, efficient, and damage-free for DIYers and professionals. Einhell Professional Cordless Planer TPPL 18/3 IBL, the Einhell Professional Cordless Planer TPPL 18/3 IBL. Solo is a high-performance tool designed for demanding woodworking tasks. Powered by Einhell's Power X Change system, it offers battery compatibility across multiple devices. Its pure power brushless motor ensures maximum efficiency, extended runtime, and comes with a 10-year warranty upon registration. With a 3mm pass depth and sharp TCT reversible irons, it delivers fast, precise material removal. The sole features 3 V-grooves for accurate chamfering, while the automatic rest pad protects workpieces. Chip ejection is possible on both sides, supported by a vacuum adapter for a dust-free workspace. Battery sold separately. Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig is a must-have tool for effortless cabinet door installation. Acting as a steady extra hand, it securely supports the door, allowing you to mount hinges with confidence and precision. Designed for both face frame and frameless cabinets, it clamps quickly and easily into place. The adjustable support arm offers 9 different positions, ensuring accurate alignment and perfect fit every time. With this jig, you can hold the door securely with one hand while fastening hinges with the other. Reliable, versatile, and easy to use, the Kreg Cabinet Door. Mounting jig makes installations faster and more professional. RYOBI 2-in-1 Speed Bench Mobile Workstation. The RYOBI 2-in-1 Speed Bench Mobile Workstation is the ultimate solution for portability and versatility in your workshop. This innovative workstation easily transforms from a durable cart to a sturdy workbench with just one smooth motion, giving you flexibility wherever you need it. The spacious 42 inches by 22 inches wooden surface offers a reliable platform with an impressive 400-pound weight capacity, perfect for heavy-duty projects. Pair it with RYOBI's extensive range of accessories, including drill bits, blades, brushes, and sanding tools to maximize productivity. Convenient, durable, and versatile, this workstation makes every project easier. Click below to complete your setup. Gohelper 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. The Gohelper 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler is a premium woodworking tool crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability, corrosion resistance, and lightweight handling. Designed for precision, it allows quick and accurate measurement or marking of angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, making it indispensable for carpentry, DIY, and professional projects. With laser-etched easy-to-read markings on a CNC anodized surface, it guarantees long-lasting accuracy and clarity. Ideal for three-dimensional workpieces, square boards, and detailed woodworking tasks, this versatile ruler can measure, mark, correct, and check with ease. Portable and compact, it's user-friendly for engineers, carpenters, and home decorators on the go.